What up, YouTube? We are busting open a box of Topps Jumbo 09-10 basketball. Do you think you get 10 packs per box? Thick packs. Let's open it, baby. $50 cards per pack. Wow, we're gonna have a lot of fucking cards after this. Alright, pack one. Alright, just go through these base. Base. LeBron James, rookie. We got a white chrome. Tony Parker, jersey, all-star. We got a Jrue Holiday rookie chrome. Let's take a look at that. Numbered to 500. Jrue Holiday white border chrome. Tony Parker jersey is 35 of 100. Yeah. We got some golds. We got Tyrese Thomas, Luke Walton, Dirk, Bruce Bowen. All number 2, 2009. Not bad pack. Alright, base. Derrick Rose, old time. Nate Robinson, white border, number to 999. Darren Williams, Julian Wright, Chuck Hayes, and Shawn Marion. All number 2, 2009. Pack number 3. Base. Millions and millions of base. Anthony Hardaway rookie throwback card. That's pretty cool. We got another Tony Parker all-star jersey. That's cool and all, but I'm kind of tired of Tony Parker. Number 10 of 199. That was only a 2-piece. The other one was a 4-piece. We got some gold borders. We got a Shane Battier 100 of 2009. JaVale McGee, Caron Butler, and Antoine Jameson. Okay. Not a fan of all these cards, but I've always wanted to try one of these, so maybe I can take a set. Maybe that's what I'll do with these. Alright, just base. If you guys need any base cards, let me know. I probably have them now. Stephen Curry, Ricky Rubio rookies. DeMar DeRozan rookie. Yeah, just let me know if you're looking for any of them, because I'm sure I have them. Oh, that's cool. Blake Griffin, rookie card chrome. 196 of 999. White border. And our golds are Tony McDyess, Juan Dixon, Kevin Martin, and Courtney Lee. Base. It's like a freaking deck of cards. Paul Pierce, vintage rookie. We got two chromes in this one. Rashad Lewis, refractor number to 500. Hansbrough, rookie chrome, white border number to 500 as well. That's a refractor too. Quentin Richardson, Craig Smith, Rudy Fernandez, and Matt Harpring are the golds.
Matt Harpring still plays.
And that's them. Still got 2 more hits waiting for us. First 2 were Tony Parker, if you haven't seen those already. A quad jersey and a double jersey. Base. And again, let me know if you guys need any of these base cards, because I'm sure I have one. And I'm willing to get rid of them for dirt cheap. Tyreek Evans rookie. Earl Clark rookie. Marcus Camby throwback. Manu, white border. Number 986 of 999. Our golds are David Lee, Daquan Cook, Jason Thompson, and Tony Parker. And those are all numbered to 2009. It looks like there's a hit in here. I'm gonna say that one. Base. Ralph Sampson. 30th Young White Border to $9.99. Our golds are Maurice Sprites, Glenn Davis, Hamid Hadidi, and Steve Novak, all number 2, 2009. Base, 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 base. Patrick Ewing throwback. We got a BJ Mullins auto. Guessing he's a rookie. Steve Nash. 641 and $9.99. We got Rasul Butler, J.J. Hickson, Brooke Lopez, and C.J. Miles gold borders to 2009. Okay. We got one hit left. Hasn't been a great bash. It's been okay, I guess you could say. Are we gonna get lucky and get a third one? I think we actually have 2 more hits. We might get 5 hits total. It's cool. We're only guaranteed 4. Space. We got some kind of numbered here. Numbered to 50. Maurice Spites. 41 of 50. It's kind of a cool looking card. It's like a silverish glow to it. Shaq, throwback rookie, awesome. Brooke Lopez, and Brooke Lopez white border to $9.99. We got a jersey card. Travar Ariza, not numbered. Ariza, whatever his name is. Well, he's not that good. Grant Hill, Tyson Channel, Mike Conley, and Andrew Bogut for the gold borders. Last pack. And hopefully we get another hit. Because we've gotten 4 already, but it looks like there's a thick guy in here, so. Base all around. Dwight Howard, Elton Brand, refractor, and Udonis Haslem jersey card. Mehmet Okur, Roy Hibbert, and Andrea Bargnani, and Eric Dampier. Gold borders. And the Elton Brand is number to 500. Yep, that does it. Let me know what you think. Peace.